Hello, it's your boy Okina again. Today we're going to be showing you how to go ahead and get rid of the orange peel on your custom paint job. As well as go ahead and polish it up. I want my victims to see their face when I beat them at a good game of Super Smash Bros. Now you may be asking, Okina, what is orange peel? Well, if you look at your custom paint job, you can see it's kind of bumpy. Kind of looks like an orange peel. Or maybe like they hit her in the thigh with a batch of nickels. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get rid of that, as well as polish it up to get a mirror-like finish. If you haven't seen my previous video on how this controller was made, go ahead and check that out. Please like, follow, and subscribe. It does keep the content coming. Later on in other videos, I'll be trying to go ahead and give away one of my custom controllers, so be on the lookout for that. What you're going to need for this project is rubbing compound. This is only for paint surfaces. Keep your other rubbing compounds in the bedroom. You're going to need your handy dandy screwdriver set, or just a tri-spoke screwdriver to take the controller apart so we don't get the internals dirty. You're going to need a towel to put your rubbing compound and polishing compound on. Went ahead and went with turtle wax. I really like the brand. You can use another type of rubbing compound. Turtle wax is not necessary. Let's get her undressed so then we can rub her excessively. We're going to go ahead and start with the front and move our way to the back. Oh my. We now have the controller taken apart in two pieces. We're going to start with our rubbing compound and then move over to the polishing compound. I went ahead and looked at the bottom half of the controller, realized it was actually pretty shiny. For the sake of making the video shorter, I'm just going to do the front. If you'd like, you can repeat the process later on the back. Oh my. We went ahead and finished with the rubbing compound on the left hand side. As you can see, it's completely smooth now. It has lost some of its reflectiveness, but with the polishing compound, that should fix the problem. We went ahead and finished with the polishing process on the right hand handle. As you can see here, we get a mirror-like finish. Compared to the other side, not so reflective, still looks like an orange peel. We're going to go ahead and repeat this process on the whole controller. I'll go ahead and do that off camera for the sake of keeping the video short. I'll then show you how it looks afterwards, and you can follow step by step along the way. We finished with the rubbing compound as well as the polishing compound for the whole front face of the controller. Now we're going to go ahead and rinse it off, and then we can check out the difference in reflectiveness after we clean it. Oh no. We went ahead and finished cleaning the controller. As you can see now, we have a very reflective surface. You can see my finger on the other side there. If you like this video, please like, follow, and subscribe. We do have more videos coming out. It does help the content coming. Again, this is your boy Okina, always building.